Gather your materials and follow along to make these cute ghosts. I use strawberries, white candy melts, black gel, toothpicks, my melting container, and a dish. Start by melting the candy. Rinse and dry the strawberries. Dip the strawberries in the candy, coating them just to the top. Add to the dish and use a toothpick to add a ghostly tail. Place them in the freezer to harden. Add the eyes and mouth, and the snack is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.